If you have a front load washing machine, if you come down here, you'll notice there's this little trap door. Now, every machine's a little bit different, but in most cases, you got this little drain hose here. I'm gonna pull this out, and then there's a little drain plug. I just like to put a towel down and then have a little dish that this can go into. You'll notice there's this little teeny filter here. Turn that counterclockwise. What I'll do first is just give everything a good rinse, try to remove as much of the hair and buildup and sludge as possible. Now for cleaner, I just use the vinegar DIY mix, give everything a good spray down. Just grab my little toothbrush, give everything a quick scrub. So to put the filter back in, spin it clockwise so it's nice and tight, and you're all set.